Python, the ideal starting programming language for non-technical adults. Introduction. Embarking on a programming journey can be intimidating, especially for non-technical adults. However, a programming language stands out as the perfect starting point, Python. With its simplicity, versatility, and supportive community, Python is an excellent choice for beginners. This video will explore why Python is the ideal programming language for non-technical adults eager to learn. Simple and easy to understand, Python's greatest strength lies in its simplicity. Unlike other programming languages, Python has a clean and straightforward structure, making it easier to read and understand. Instead of overwhelming you with complex syntax, Python uses indentation, spaces, or tabs to organize code. This means you can focus on understanding programming concepts without getting lost in confusing language rules. Accessible and beginner-friendly, Python is specifically designed with beginners in mind. It boasts a large and supportive community that provides a wealth of resources, tutorials, and documentation to help you get started. Whether you prefer online tutorials, books, or video courses, plenty of beginner-friendly materials are available to guide your learning journey. Additionally, Python comes with a collection of pre-built modules that simplify various tasks, allowing you to achieve results without needing to understand all the technical details. No complex compilation process. One of the advantages of Python is that you don't need to go through a complex compilation process before running your code. Unlike other languages, you can write your Python code and see the results immediately. This quick feedback loop enables you to experiment freely, make changes, and observe how they affect the output. It's like solving a puzzle and seeing the solution immediately, enhancing your learning experience. Simplified concepts with high-level features. Python provides high-level features and tools that simplify complex tasks. For instance, Python handles memory management automatically, so you don't need to worry about intricate details like how much memory to allocate or deallocate. This allows you to focus on problem solving and logical thinking rather than getting overwhelmed by technical aspects. Versatility for real-world applications. Python is a versatile programming language with applications in various domains. It can be used for web development to create websites and online applications. Python is also valuable in data analysis, helping you make sense of large amounts of information. Additionally, Python's versatility extends to machine learning, where you can teach computers to make predictions and decisions. It is even utilized in scientific research, enabling you to perform complex calculations and simulations. In addition, Python's flexibility ensures that you can explore different areas of programming and find practical applications that align with your interests. Supportive community and learning resources. The Python community is known for its friendliness and willingness to support beginners. Countless online communities, forums, and tutorials are available where you can ask questions, seek help, and share your progress. These resources are created by fellow Python enthusiasts who aim to make learning enjoyable and accessible to everyone. Furthermore, Python offers libraries and frameworks that provide pre-built solutions to common problems. Leveraging these resources saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on bringing your ideas to life. Conclusion: Python is the ideal language for non-technical adults wanting to learn programming. Its simplicity, accessibility, versatility, and supportive community make it a standout choice. With Python, you can confidently embark on your programming journey, knowing you have the necessary resources and tools to succeed. So, embrace Python and unlock the world of programming in a user-friendly and accessible way.